guys, these are tricks and tips for beginner Rocket League players. Let's go. First, we're going to go over here to play, training, free play twice, and then accept. Let's learn about the buttons. First, this is how you look around. This is how you turn while you're driving. Press this once to jump, or press it twice to double jump. This is how you boost. Now this button right here changes your view. Last but not least, these back two buttons, drive and back up or brake. It's time for the combos. First combo is the flip. So you want to double jump while holding this to the side to do a side flip, or up or down to do a front or back flip. We're going to learn how to take a shot. So if you're not quite straight with the ball, but almost, you want to turn like this and brake right at the end so it doesn't hit the top. This combo teaches you how to fly. So you want to press X and circle and pull this down so you could go up. You spawn straight ahead of the ball. You want to go just like this, but brake at the end just like the other one. Spawn in the corner of the map like this. You want to hit just the side of the ball like this. In a situation where someone's going to score on you, then just follow my lead. You want to double jump, lean up, and fly. And if you manage to block it and it goes down the field, you go like this. When you exit training, play again, casual, and whatever you want to do. I prefer 1v1s, and then just use all that information that I told you today. Good luck, everybody. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Peace.